Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more mobile operator reviews. All the links from this overview, including those mentioned in the video, are down in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using Freedom Mobile. Freedom Mobile, a budget-friendly Canadian mobile operator. Freedom Mobile is a Canadian wireless provider known for its budget-friendly plans and competitive data offerings. It's primarily geared towards cost-conscious consumers who prioritize large data allowances at lower prices than major carriers like Rogers, Bell, and Telus. Freedom Mobile plans typically include unlimited talk and text, generous data bundles, and nationwide coverage facilitated through roaming agreements. However, it's worth noting that Freedom's native network coverage is most robust in major urban centers like Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, and Edmonton, with more limited coverage in rural areas. One of Freedom Mobile's most significant advantages is its cost-effectiveness. This makes it a particularly attractive option for students, young professionals, and anyone who primarily spends their time within major cities. Freedom Mobile also offers appealing perks such as unlimited data with reduced speeds after exceeding the high-speed allotment, eSIM compatibility, and reasonably priced international roaming options. Their MyTab financing program enables customers to acquire smartphones with lower upfront costs, making device upgrades more accessible. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. While Freedom Mobile has made strides in improving its network reliability, signal strength and data speeds can sometimes be inconsistent, particularly indoors or in rural locations. Customer service reviews are varied, with some customers highlighting the affordability and others reporting slower response times. If you primarily reside within a Freedom Mobile coverage zone, the cost savings can be substantial. However, for frequent travelers or those who require consistent nationwide coverage, Freedom Mobile might not be the optimal choice. In conclusion, Freedom Mobile presents a compelling option for budget-minded users in urban areas, delivering excellent value for the price. If you have experience using Freedom Mobile, we'd love to hear about it. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information.